Welcome to this episode of On Photography. We're going to be doing a bit of unboxing and taking a look at this guy. This is the BC Master 2-in-1 phone lens kit. It's a 58mm 110 degree wide angle lens with a 15 times macro lens adapter. So this thing looked pretty interesting and it was super cheap. It was under 20 bucks on Amazon. So I decided to give it a shot because it looked pretty robust for the money. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the packaging here, and it's quite well packaged, by the way. So peel off the shrink wrap and get that off, and then let's go ahead and open this box up and see what's inside. So we have some obligatory instructions, the micro cloth cleaner, and a very nice case to hold the lens. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's take a peek what we have inside. Ooh, look at the size of this lens, folks. This is really impressive for a cell phone style lens. This is really high quality. So and again, it comes with a bit of an adapter, so you screw this on here, and just can screw this on here, and boom. And then the idea is that you take it and you place it over top of this guy, sort of like that, and boom. Now, the one thing I will kind of say is I wouldn't get too overly aggressive with this because this is really heavy. This is actually a very heavy lens. How heavy that you ask? Well, let's see. So let's go ahead and weigh this. So this weighs in at 157 grams. So this guy is actually pretty heavy. So as I say, when we put this on the camera itself, one of the things you want to be kind of careful because bouncing this guy around, because I'm not sure the combination here of macro, because this is a 0.5 wide angle 15 macro, so I'm not sure if, I think the idea is, I don't know quite what the idea is. I'll have to take a look. But one of the other pieces that I wanted to take a look with this is now it does seem to have a little bit of an issue fitting. I was hoping it would fit onto here, and it actually might with a bit of modification with some adapters, but it's kind of hitting the side here because this is really so big. I'm just overly impressed at the size of this. So anyways, I'll have to do some I'll do a more complete review. This is, I just kind of wanted to do an unboxing and share with you guys what this thing looks like, because this is pretty big. So anyways, we'll do a future video where I share some video with this and see how its production quality is. But for right now, I would say for sub 20 bucks, this is pretty darn impressive. I'll have the links to this down below. And if you guys are interested, I definitely recommend checking it out because this is pretty cool. Anyways, we'll see you guys in another video when we review something. Cheers.